Welcome. This short tutorial will be showing you how to use experimental mode in Stitch. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into your account in stitch.withgoogle.com. And once you're in here, before when you go ahead and select a model, it will just say to you, okay, it will just show experimental mode. But now it's changed. Okay. So we have two right here, which is standard mode and experimental mode. So standard mode, which is by using fast right here. Also the 2.5 flash model. Okay. Now those two are standard mode. Experimental mode right here. Okay. And the updated version, well, as per recording, December 14, 2025, thinking with Gemini 3 Pro right here and 2.5 Pro are both experimental mode. So if it's your first time logging in, it will just automatically select a 3.0 Pro for you. Okay, either for web designs or app design. Okay, just do take note when you go ahead and click on your profile right here, click on Stitch settings, you will have a daily credit. Okay, and once this credit bar fills up, you might see or you might notice that the specific model right here just keeps on thinking without any output. Okay, just do keep that in mind. But that's just basically it. If you want to use experimental mode, either choose a 3.0 with a Gemini or 2.5 Pro right here. Even we have here redesign. And by the way, for any modes right here, you can go ahead and upload an image or wireframe or a sketch as a inspiration to guide Stitch right here for the AI generation. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.